So I'm gonna be using the Color Bar Perfect Match Primer as my base to start on with. So guys, how are you? Like, how are you feeling in this pandemic? The situation is getting worse on day by day. Um, I don't know what is happening next. So how are you guys dealing with it? I just wanted to know that. And also I feel like doing my makeup while talking with you, because I've never done it. Like, I don't do this. I only like do makeup and then voiceover. But I've decided, let me talk to you, because it's been a long time you guys are seeing me, and I never really talked a lot to you. So this is the time I'm talking with you. And also my channel is getting older, so on 7th of May my channel will be 1 year old. Like, it's a 1 year anniversary on 7th May. So last year, 7th May 2020, I have opened my channel, and now it's been a year. It will be a year on 7. So I'm planning to do like a special video for like 7 of, like, it's Friday, and I'm planning to do something special on my channel, like some special video to get posted, because it's a 1 year. So yeah, that's very special to me, as YouTube is very special to me. Always wanted to become a YouTuber. So yeah, actually I don't have much audience right now, but I hope one day I will have. So yep. So if you have any video recommendations for me, do comment down below. I would love to make video which you guys want me to make. Okay guys, so I'm thinking of making some new playlist on my channel, but I'm actually not sure whether to make it or not. I'm thinking of making like my top favorite series, or like in which series I would share my top foundations or top concealers or top eyeshadow palettes, top lipsticks, and so on, because I have like a bunch of makeup and I've purchased some of them recently. So I have some of my favorites and some of the product which I don't like. So I feel like making a playlist, letting you know that which are my favorites. So let me know if you guys like this idea. Also, I'm just thinking sharing some reviews of some products, like some skincare products, because recently I'm using a lot of skincare products because of my acne problem, and in general also I love experimenting a lot of skincare products on me, which is the result why I'm getting acne. So yeah, I'm thinking of making playlist reviewing some skincare products. So soon we will have a playlist for different content. I have a lot of content coming up, guys, a lot of content. So make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification, because I have a lot to make, a lot. But I'm thinking, like, I don't have much audience. I have only 237 subscribers, and the views are getting very low on my channel. But I think that's a part of being a YouTuber. I'm just a beginner, so that's fine. Like, I will never stop doing and never stop making videos and never stop doing hard work, because this is the only thing that I do. Like, this is the only thing that left me. So yeah, thinking of some new ideas on my channel, because I think I need to change my channel content a little bit, so that I think you guys are not liking this type of content which I usually do. That's why I'm trying to change something. So like, I've applied some of the sugar BB cushion, what is it called, BB cushion foundation, or yeah, like BB Cushion's foundation. So in the shade Latte, and I don't feel anything to set it. Like, it doesn't require powder to set, but I feel like because I want some coverage around my eyes, I'm like applying this powder from L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte, and this gives some coverage. So I'm applying around my eyes only to give some coverage and to make the blending easier for my eyeshadow. So that's why. And also I'm thinking of making some makeup hacks. What do you guys think? Because I know a lot of videos are already here on YouTube which have very good makeup hacks, but I feel like making a video on my channel as well. Like, what is a beauty channel without beauty hacks, without makeup hacks? So I'm thinking of filming it very soon. I have a lot of things coming. I have a lot of ideas. I can't tell it in just one video. And also I think I'm not doing any of the voiceover from now. Maybe, I'm not sure, but I like this thing more. Like, I like talking more than voiceover. It makes a video little lengthy, but let's give it a try and see if you guys like it or not. So for eyeshadow, I'm going to be using the Makeup Revolution Tami X Tropical Carnival eyeshadow palette. It has a lot of colors, as you can see. So I'm thinking of, because I'm wearing blue color, I'm thinking of a blue like a blue eye makeup, blue and black mix, maybe blue or yellow. I have yellow on my outfit. I think blue and black. Okay, let's go for blue and black only, because I've done like a black pink eye makeup on my channel before. So if black pink can exist, why not blue black? Okay, very confusing. So yeah, let's go for blue and black. And yeah, I'm not going any transition color, just applying blue and black. Blue or green? I think blue will look good. I've done blue makeup before. Eyes, I don't know. Oh, it's very pigmented. Okay, so I have like few more ideas for my channel. I feel like creating another playlist of only just eye makeup, but I think it would like go better on Instagram more than YouTube. So I'm thinking of making some IGTV compilation of only just eye makeup, because I love experimenting with my eyeshadows. So I think I'm gonna be making some new content on Instagram also. Let me know your thoughts. And by the way, if you guys are not following me on Instagram, do it, just go it right now, because I post a lot on Instagram, like more than YouTube. So I post a lot of beauty related and makeup related content on YouTube. So don't forget to check it out and subscribe there as well. Okay, so what I did is I just take two colors, black and navy blue, and apply navy blue on the inside till my eyeball, like half my lid, and then I'll just apply black color in a cat eye shape and just blend the two colors. I have not take any other color, just two colors, black and blue, because I'm not concentrating on makeup. I'm just concentrating on conversation more. So that's the quickest eye makeup ever. So that's what I've did, and just doing the other eye. It's very simple. And also the palette Makeup Revolution is very pigmented and it's a very good quality. So if you like because eyeshadows can sometimes be very tricky, because the pigment is not good always. So either you buy like very expensive eyeshadow palettes such as Huda Mac, but if you're not, go for Makeup Revolution. Makeup Revolution has very good quality eyeshadow palette. I use two of them, so I know about the quality, and I've seen a lot of Makeup Revolution palette in general life as well. So yeah, if you love eye makeup and want to invest in good eyeshadow palette but not ready to invest a lot, so Makeup Revolution is a brand that you can consider. It's better than Maybelline eyeshadows or something. So but price point is little too much, but for good quality pigmented eyeshadow palette you need to like invest at least something. Can you see the pigment? It's very good. And in just like one swipe pigmentation, and it's also very easy to blend. Sometimes eyeshadow can be very tricky and not beginner friendly. It can be very difficult to work with, but Makeup Revolution has done a great job when it's come to eyeshadow, and it's very colorful. Like you can find any color, and the size is also very nice. Like the pan size I'm talking about. Usually this is not like a good other palettes have not very big pan size, but this has. Okay, so now I'm going to apply this new liner from Maybelline. This is my recent purchased and I'm curious to try. So this is in the pen form, and actually I'm loving the Maybelline liner, the yellow color liner, the the liquid liner. That is my OG. I can't live without that liner, but I want to give it a try and see how this works. And this is for 800 bucks, and let's see if it's worth it or not. Okay, I think it's easier to apply like a wing liner. Okay, it actually dries way faster than the Maybelline, the yellow one, which is great. You don't have to wait too long to open your eyes. Can you see? I'm not sure if you can see while I'm applying liner. Okay, so I want to apologize if you can't see me applying liner, but you actually seen a lot of time me applying a liner, so you can consider my previous videos. Okay, so far I'm actually loving the liner, and it is amazing. It dries very quickly, and it also very easy to make a wing liner. And for the price point, I think it's nice, and it's also very smudge proof and waterproof, so that's a good thing. But my Maybelline liner, like yellow liner, was not like too much waterproof. Like it can take it off easily. It can like smudge, but this is not. I have like tried, so this is a good option. Consider if you are a beginner and want to apply wing liner very easily. So this liner can really help you to achieve a beautiful wing. So just curl my lashes and apply mascara from Maybelline. I think Maybelline does a great job in liners and mascaras and kajal also. So I don't have any other mascara brand other than Maybelline. I only have 2 or 3 mascaras. Oh, actually I have mascaras from other brands. Sorry, I have like Kiko and Mion mascaras, but I always go back to Maybelline one because it's amazing. It curls my lashes. It give length to my lashes. It hold my lashes. It separates my lashes and do all the good things. Make my lashes look bigger. Although my lashes are bigger, but still. And yeah, I don't feel like applying kajal because then it will be too bold. So let's skip the kajal, or I can apply a nude kajal. Sorry. Okay, so or I can apply a nude kajal. This is from, I don't know the brand. I will just write in the description. This I got from Purple. So let me apply a nude kajal, and it's very pigmented. If you're finding a good nude kajal, this is very good option to consider. I'm not applying like a too much, just very less from the halfway, so not entire, like just only the halfway, only here. Yep, that's it. I'm done. Let's move on to face. I have a different palette for now. I'm tired of using sugar and Maybelline or something. So this I'm using this after a long time. This is my Face is All Time Pro face palette. It has contour, blush and highlight, very neutral contour color, and it's very light to, it's like this palette is for light to medium skin tone, not deeper one, because the contour shade is very light. It's like a very light bronzer. It's not even contour, it's light bronzer. So actually medium to, medium to dusky skin complexion can't really show up a lot on that skin. So very light, and also I'm using the light because my eyes are bold now, so I'm gonna keep it a little more neutral on my face, because I'm planning to apply a bold lipstick also, so my face should be a little neutral. Then it will be like too much glam and not going anywhere, taking too much glam. So as you can see, it is not showing up a lot. It's very light bronzer. Wow, I'm actually loving this concept of doing my makeup and talking. I feel like I should do it more often rather than doing a voiceover. I'm gonna contour my forehead as well because I have a broad forehead, and my jawline, although I don't need it a lot, but still just shadowing a little bit. Can't forget my nose. I love nose contour a lot. Yeah, I'll lightly bronze my face. Let's go for blush. I love applying blush. Oh, same blush taken from same palette. It has everything, and it's also very, very compact and very easy to carry, and it's very travel friendly. But I would not suggest you to travel with it because I had broke this palette once. This is my second purchase of exactly same palette. I broke this palette once, so it's not travel friendly. But it's very nice if you like travel with a very, very security, like very nicely and very, if you take care of it, it is a travel friendly product. But if not, then don't. It can broke easily. I broke the contour and the highlight pan of this one, so it all got mixed and palette was useless. So, but I love the palette, so I feel like purchasing another one because I love the palette. This is one of my favorite palette and also favorite product from Faces. Okay, so the best part about this highlighter is A, it's very pigmented, and B, it suits every skin complexion. Like it suits medium, fair, dusky as well, because the color is champagne gold, and most versatile highlighter color. So it suits everyone, and it's also not very blinding, not very like OTT, if you know what I mean, and it's not very dull as well. So it's like the perfect blend of everything. It's like a perfect match. So yeah, I'm done, and only lipstick is remaining. I'm planning to apply like orange color, which is risky sometimes, but as you know, orange color can complement blue eyes, and blue eyes can complement orange color, because in color wheel orange and blue, it's opposite to each other, so they both complement each other. That's why I'm applying orange with blue eyes. This lipstick is from Matte Me. It's like Sleek Matte Me, I think. Yeah. And the shade is Sparkling Orange AZ01. But you don't find it online. I don't think I'd find it online. It is available on stores or like normal stores, so this is not available online. But similar shades are also available. It's very bright, yeah. And yeah, we are finally done. Okay guys, so I hope you like and enjoy this video and like the concept of the talking while doing makeup more. So yeah, and I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care. Also, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Like this video if you enjoy, and subscribe for more such videos like this. And stay tuned. And I shall see you in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.